The coffee is pouring. Okay, let's try. Yeah, I like it. It's alright. So this is like an Italian coffee, which I think you never can go wrong with Italian coffee. I told you. And it's strong enough because the British people likes to put some milk, so it needs to have a strong taste. So when you put milk, you still have a nice coffee flavor, and I think it will work well. Well, we'll see the first customer what they think about it. I like it. All right, let's start baking. Well, I've started already. There's a dough mixing in there, and I'm gonna have to do a few different doughs, so baguette dough, to use it as a starter. My starters, sourdough starters, is here. I've done it as soon as I arrived in UK with apples from my garden, and so it's totally alive. And I'm gonna do some batch of sourdough as well. So tomorrow I'll have lots of different dough which I can play with. It's very noisy here, my god. First dough of the house. So it's a mixture of T55 flour and a bit of ground roasted barley, which give a little flavor of coffee and richness with this powder. See? It's like cocoa powder basically, but it smells a bit like coffee. So I turn it into a sourdough, so with my starter from the apple. And I've put some pumpkin seed. So it has like a very dark color, this dough, like rye flour. But it's only the roasted barley who does that. See? Might be good. Alright. Let's get the white sourdough. This flour is doing well, I think. With this beautiful Chipton Mill flour, sometimes you have to adjust your recipes when you change your main ingredients, but it seems to be okay. Beautiful. Smell nice too. You can tell it has been ground by stone because it's like slightly grey and it has little pieces of the wheat skin still. It's not totally white. Look. Lovely. Now we're gonna let this one rest. It's time for baguette now. Okay. Always water first, so it mixes very well then. Flour, fresh yeast, salt. That's all it needs. 5 minutes. There we go. Up. Yeah, not too bad for baguette either. The flavor is gonna develop with maturation. So there's no one in the street, it's early morning. So we're gonna bake our first batch of bread that I've shaped yesterday. Oh, I haven't showed you the pictures. Put few pictures from Saveurs over the years. those ones. That was our first team when we opened Savers and our last team when we closed. My two boys, of course, and the granddad with his rolling pin. Happiness is being in Devon. Should be true. Yeah, it's true. That's it! The first baguettes!
Still not straight.
We got the sign putting up. There you go, guys. The baking of the day. Okay, I had few customers already. Big focaccia to make sandwiches with. I've roasted those vegetables. That's my 2 starter for tomorrow. Those one are white sourdough proving for another trial. And a little brioche here. And this is a sweet pastry, so that's good. I still have some baguette dough left. I'll make some more tomorrow probably. So what do you think of the sign? Not too bad. So I really enjoyed today trying a few bits and pieces. The oven's responding well, coffee machine great. All the equipment is very close by, so it's very easy to work. And no, I think it's gonna be great. So I think I'll be opening next week now. So it will be a Thursday, and see what happens. So I will open Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 3 days a week. And we'll see if we increase or decrease or whatever. The main thing is to have fun. So I leave you now, and we should really soon catch up on a new video, but this time a baking video.